Possum Fun and Frugal here. I have been poking around YouTube looking at projects, and I thought I'd share one that I found. It was on Home Talk. I think that's a great YouTube channel. Just great little inexpensive, cheap hacks for decorating or home improvement on a budget, because you know, Possum Fun and Frugal, I have to be frugal, and this is very frugal. I'm gonna make a board, a wall board to go above my dryer outside, and I learned this on Home Talk on YouTube, about how you can do that with a few things from the dollar store. So it's sort of so this is a pegboard project, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing in case it's something you might be interested in trying. Okay, so I bought these. You can get these for $1.25, and you get two. In the video I saw, they had bigger ones. That's probably from a dollar store somewhere else. So they're just these peg boards, and I got 4 to start with. I think you can put them together. They have little tabs. They don't seem like they go in very well. But you can kind of put them together here. But there's a hack to putting them together so they stay also. So they all fit together. My table's not very level because this part of the table is a little broken, and you can get the shelves that go with it, and these are to hang it on the wall. But there's a trick to keeping them together if they don't seem to want to stay together. There's some rings for putting things in it. And somewhere also, what you get at dollar stores is packs of zip ties. They come in very handy. Okay, so I'm going to take these zip ties. I'm going to hook these together. They have these, and they don't seem to hook together very well. So put the zip tie on. Make sure it's facing the right way. Oops. Then you hook them together, and then you tighten up the zip tie. And nice and tight, so those won't come apart. That way if I ever want to change it, I just cut the zip tie and I can do it again. And then we'll snip that off. What I should have done is done it from the back side. Because now this is a little bit in the way. So I think this one I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to try it from this side. Yeah, that's better. Now I won't see it, and it won't be in the way of anything. And then I'm going to do the same to put these together. Won't tighten them down all the way until I get them both on. Now we get them nice and tight. Go ahead and tighten these down. I like how tight they are. And I want this part to be in here more. Okay. Snip that extra off. Now we have a small pegboard. We have one small pegboard. So next, take one of these. I guess this is so you can line it up. I'm not sure why I would need that, so use that. And let's see. Then you have to figure out where you want all your stuff. So I probably actually want the rings closer to the bottom. So I don't like that there, so I can just take it off. Maybe? Yeah. So I have those there. I'm going to take these off so we can see where the rings are going. There. I'm going to put this one right there. So that puts the rings, I don't know if you can see those, but there's the rings that I put on this side and this side. So now we'll put the baskets right about here. now I have something to hang all of my, here we go, now I have a pegboard. I can put stuff here and stuff here, and I can hang bottles or something here, and then I'll show you where this is going to go. But first, oh, I'm forgetting these. So these help attach it to the wall. So we're going to put these on next. And these are for sticking it to the wall. Not for dropping it on the floor, but for sticking it to the wall. But I keep dropping things, so okay. So these go in here. And you can use screws or you can use these. And where I'm putting it, I can't use screws, so I'm going to use these. Okay. And I think you can get away with these, but I think because it's dollar store stuff and it's probably not the sturdiest, I got 2 sets so I can make sure it's balanced when it's hanging. So let's see, this cost me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $7 to create a small pegboard for my laundry and tool area outside. Now I'm putting the stickums on here. Little adhesive pads that help hold it up. Put these on. Okay, then we'll go see about getting it put up. So now I'm outside on my back patio next to my dryer and where I do most of my work area for doing projects outside. To adjust my camera. I didn't want to disturb my neighbors having a gathering outside, so I am voiceover, or doing a voiceover, duh. So I'm trying to stick it to the wall or see where I want it before I actually stick it up there. I hope you can see this pretty well. I think I'm looking to see if my camera looks right. I'm taking the backing off the sticky pads. You can see the sticky pads. I'm trying to get all those off and put them. I'm going to stick it right here. Hopefully it will stay. pushing on it to make sure, trying to make sure I do everything to make it stay. Sometimes these cheap things are what they are. They're cheap and don't last. Giving it a little extra pressure. And now we try to put the little trays in here. I decided to put these up a little higher. And then the little hooks go on the bottom, so I can hang things from the hooks. There, now I have my little mini pegboard stuff holder. I'm going to put my extra tape. I'm always losing my tape or don't know where it is. So it'll be nice to have it right there, handy. I can see what kinds of tape I have and just grab what I need. And I figured I probably should put the new unopened tape on the bottom. And there. And all my tape is handy. Sorry about my camera. I'm trying to hold the camera and get stuff to put up there at the same time. There, my funnel, which always fell down because there's nowhere really good to put it. It has a home. I'm not sure what I'll put in the other one.